Buying a new home is exciting, but make no mistake about it, having a home inspection is one of the best decisions you'll make during the home buying process. It's also one of the best investments that a buyer will make to have protection. Knowing the condition of the home will save you time and money. Here's a quick rundown of the 5 reasons you should get a home inspection. Number 1, you will have a good understanding of what's behind the facade. As one would say, you can't judge a book by its cover. You also can't judge a home by its exterior. No matter the age of the home, there can be costly problems that are unseen and a typical home buyer may not detect. Most safety, functional, and structural issues can go unnoticed for many years. A professional home inspector can thoroughly check and give you a comprehensive report on the true condition of the home. Number 2, you save more than what you'll spend for the home inspection. Depending on the size and age of the home, you can spend between $400 to $600 on the home inspection. This may seem like a lot, but knowing upfront what issues or repairs there are will prevent you from having unnecessary repairs later, so the inspection is totally worth it. Number 3, you can negotiate better. With the knowledge and the information you gather from the home inspection process, you will have the bargaining power to negotiate better. Number 4, repairs may be done by the seller. You can ask the seller to complete some or all of the repairs prior to closing. Anything that you, as a buyer, and your home inspector identify as a defect or an issue with the home, you could ask the seller to fix or repair. Number 5, you get a real education about the property you are looking to purchase. The home inspection lets you know and understand what you're buying. Obtaining the home inspection will allow you to make sure you're aware of any potential issues that could arise later and to know of any items you're going to be responsible for before you buy the home.